How to fix Instagram not loading pictures. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Instagram not loading pictures. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Simply you can switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Or you can restart your router or move closer to your Wi-Fi switch for a stronger signal. After that, make sure you close the Instagram completely. And then after that, you need to reopen Instagram and check if the pictures load properly. And then you have to see whether your Instagram app is updated or not. If not, go to Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for Instagram app. Open it and then if there is any updates, select that and update to the latest version. And you need to make sure that you have cleared the cache which can fix the temporary issues. For that, tap and hold Instagram and the I button to get access to app info page. Now select storage users and tap clear cache. Once done, you need to check that your Instagram pictures are loading well or not. Lastly, restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and then swipe towards restart and your Instagram pictures not loading error will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.